In this video, we're going to talk about the top 10 ways to manage your finances. Before starting, do like the video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. The handling of our finances is a challenge for many of us. Despite this, most people shy away from asking for financial assistance because personal money is such a taboo topic. Now today, we can automate investing using a money management program like Cube Financial and receive free guidance from leading financial specialists. Number 10. Avoid taking on debt. Make sure you don't borrow money unless you absolutely have to. Debt is something that is simple to accumulate but somewhat challenging to repay. Therefore, if you can buy something with cash by taking a loan from your emergency fund, do it. It's preferable to take out a loan, which necessitates a regular cash flow and expense, not to mention the high interest you'll have to pay. Play it carefully and avoid debt as much as you can. Number 9, create a diverse portfolio of investments. Our savings in bank accounts are likely to depreciate over time. Savings account interest rates are too low to keep up with inflation. Financial guru Matthew Bloom suggests investing as a solution to this. He states in his post that investing enables one to keep up with inflation-driven rises in the cost of living. The potential for compound interest or growth gained on growth is the main advantage of a long-term investment strategy at most. Number 8, set financial goals. Money is pointless unless it's used properly. You should therefore make it a point to establish financial objectives for yourself. Knowing these things is crucial. Failing to do so will render all of your financial management efforts ineffective. Determine your savings goals, such as a vacation, new technology, a new investment, etc. Using an app like Cube Wealth, set a goal and then regularly work towards it. Number 7, automate your investments. Even when it is for your own good, it can be difficult to part with your hard-earned money. Due to this, the majority of people do not consistently make investments, which are frequently the worst. A wealth management tool like Cube Wealth can assist you with regular investing if you want to increase your money. Number 6, create an emergency fund. Many people believe that saving money puts an end to financial management. Saving money is only one aspect of good money management, though saving money is obviously the first step, but after that, you must create a separate emergency fund. Number 5, use cash instead of plastic money. Many people may use their credit and debit cards to make far larger purchases than they otherwise would. The problem is that when you swipe a card, you are cut off from the actual financial transaction. Your account summary may have changed by a few numbers, but that doesn't really have the intended effect. Therefore, do yourself a favor and just use cash to pay for day-to-day necessities like eating out, partying with friends, buying for clothes, etc. Number 4, create a budget. Calculate your spending and make sure you stay inside your budget. Most of our outgoing expenses can be planned for, and failing to do so is a financial sin. You can better organize your spending with the use of a budget, which will also help you stay within your means. Make this budget your line of financial control, one that you must never cross, and include all of your recurrent spending up to the last dollar. Number 3, pay yourself first. First, put money aside for yourself. This means that the first thing you should do with each paycheck is set aside a portion for personal savings. This can be accomplished by opening a special savings account with this objective in mind. The money you have saved up must then be completely forgotten about and must not be touched unless it is for a very important financial purpose. Number 2, invest for the future. A crucial part of efficiently managing your finances is investing for the future. You may create long-term wealth, passive income, and financial stability by making intelligent investments. To begin, it's crucial to diversify your holdings, make long-term investments, and take into account tax-efficient investment options like IRAs and 401ks. Number 1, plan for retirement. In order to assure financial security during your golden years, retirement planning is essential. Setting retirement objectives and figuring out how much money you'll need for a pleasant retirement are the first steps. It's crucial to estimate how much you must save annually for retirement while taking inflation and anticipated investment returns into account. So what do you think about this video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for future updates.